Welcome. In the next few minutes, I'd like to introduce you to a new fitness and health program that will become one of the most important products of the industry in the coming years. We live in a world where we want to feel valued, maintain our health and wellness, and hold on to an attractive appearance and the vigor of our youth for as long as we can. In short, we want to both be and feel healthy. On the other hand, a sad fact of life today is that we see increasing rates of obesity at younger and younger ages. Yet we all live in a competitive world where how we look and how we feel has such an impact in our everyday personal and work lives. Becoming and staying fit is necessary for both our physical and mental health, and also our self-esteem. And when we fall short in this area, we create problems that can and do impact all aspects of our health. Today, problems associated with being overweight affect almost 1 in 2 persons worldwide. The problem is real and it's global. Every day, we are bombarded by solutions to this growing problem. Diets, eating regimens, fitness trends, and miracle products promising to solve all our problems easily are consistently thrown our way in the media. In so many of these cases, these are solutions with short-term effects that create worse results than the original condition. That's created the dreaded yo-yo effect, where we gain back the lost kilos and then some, leaving us unhappy, frustrated, and with worse health than when we started. And that cycle, sadly, can continue over and over. Science tells us obesity has many causes, but most certainly one of the biggest is the combination of an unhealthy diet with a sedentary lifestyle, meaning we eat a lot and don't move enough. That combo virtually guarantees we become overweight. We eat low-quality fast foods that provide empty carbs and virtually no nutrition. And when we aren't getting necessary nutrients, our body panics and then begins trying to accumulate reserves for scarcer times. And then we see the sad results. The toxins our bodies can't then clear are typically segregated and deposited in specific fat cells like little hazardous waste sites, or what we might just call cellulite. This process not only ages us prematurely, but negatively affects the energy-producing activities of our cells, meaning the body wants more and more of those low-quality foods just to produce the same amount of needed energy. And what's the result? We try to fix it with quick, unhealthy solutions like more caffeine or energy drinks or pills, and these can actually make the original problem even worse. A poorly functioning digestive system with inadequate intestinal flora can also produce excess weight from those empty calories lacking in valuable micronutrients. Modern society, the explosion of sedentary jobs, the evolution of cars and public transport have all made physical activity a radically smaller part of our daily routine, which also contributes to the obesity epidemic. Our body's energy balance is totally disrupted. Our food intake increases, yet actual calories burned drops dramatically. The result is inevitable: obesity. Clearly, finding a workable solution is necessary. It is not enough to just try and tackle a couple of underlying problems. To succeed in fixing our health, we have to deal with a complete set of problems, and this is where RAIN International's lifestyle program provides a solution. RAIN International is the leader in the production of seed-based nutritional supplements, and with our experience in phenomenal products, we've put together the 1-week Fit Kit program. This kit naturally won't fix all these problems in a week, but rather provide you a fantastic kickstart with real results as a blueprint for long-term health and restoration. The components of this kit not only boost your intake of quality nutrients and their absorption, they start to detoxify your body and also help you start achieving results you want without having to make drastic changes to your daily routine. The products in the 1-week Fit Kit help you kickstart this restorative process without feeling starved or tortured. Remember, our bodies need not calories, but quality nutrients. If we provide our body with what it needs for proper functioning, it'll sort out the problems we listed above. What's so critical is ensuring that the valuable nutrients we need are absorbed and that our body can expel its stored toxins. So let's look at the key products. The natural ingredients in Soul improve the metabolic process, giving the body necessary vitamins, minerals, and trace elements, and helps us function at our optimal best during the week. The active ingredients in Core help clean off the excreta, now there's a fun word, deposited within the gut. It assists the kidneys, liver, and intestines to function properly and recover faster, and also improve nutrient absorption throughout the entire digestive system. Core's ingredients also help reduce the effects of damaging substances to the liver while detoxifying the liver and promoting regeneration. It's also ideal for weight loss because of its natural appetite suppressant and diuretic effect. Pure is a supplement containing both the most important probiotics and prebiotics essential for good, sustained gut health. Probiotics are a type of bacteria that is actually incredibly beneficial for the human body, while prebiotics serve as a key nutrient for those bacteria. Combined, they support the healthy function of the immune and digestive systems. When it comes to weight loss, it is essential to have the optimal composition of good bacterial flora in the digestive tract, and that is why Pure fits so perfectly into this program. Protein intake is so important when losing weight or building muscle. When we want to lose weight, it's essential that our body loses fat rather than muscle, because muscle loss slows down metabolism, meaning the body's caloric requirements also fall. If we don't pay attention to this, we run the risk of regaining weight. The unique composition of Form, Rain International seed-based protein supplement, provides energy, makes you feel full, and serves as the raw protein material needed for the regeneration of muscles and other cells. Form is low in sugar and also very rich in fiber, which means you have high-quality, slow-absorption carbs that also have appetite suppressant effect. So here's the optimal way to put the 1-week Fit Kit program into practice. Consume a packet of Soul and Pure in the morning. Exchange your breakfast and dinner with a tasty Form shake, and then finish the day with a packet of Core. And there's no need to starve. Make sure you have a delicious, filling, protein-rich meal with salad for lunch, your main meal of the day. Just remember to drink a good amount of water and exercise at least 3 times a week. If you follow these steps consistently for only 7 days, weight loss will be inevitable. It's also incredibly favorable to your wallet. When you consider the cost of your replaced breakfasts and dinners, the 1-week Fit Kit will virtually pay for itself. And best of all, when you experience the positive impact of this program, you'll want to continue with it and turn it into a lifestyle with very long-term benefits for your weight and your overall health. We hope we sparked your interest in Rain International's 1-week Fit Kit program. For more information and the exact details of the exclusive offer, please contact the person who gave you this presentation. Thank you again for your kind attention. We wish you nothing but good health.